Welcome to the 2021 Noris Network talk here at the virtual CloudFest. My name is Thomas Fischer and I'm Head of Technologies and Engineering here at Noris Network. Today I have the great honor to introduce the brand new Noris Enterprise Cloud, a platform for multi-cloud enterprise solutions. But before we have a look at the platform, let me take the time to tell you the story of a highly hypothetical enterprise IT journey and why we believe our new cloud platform is the perfect match for these enterprise architectures. We start a few years in the past, a time where enterprise IT was a physical business, buying servers, cabling racks, and renting data center space, a time where the cloud was the silver bullet for flexibility and moving away from long-time commitments. Move into the cloud and all your problems go away. You pay less, your infrastructure is safer, all the resources behind one API. Infrastructure is code, and it's all just one click away. You only have to embark on the journey down the one straight road into the cloud, tarred by all the hyperscalers and cloud service providers. The cloud promised resources to scale infrastructure fast and limitless. You read success stories of startup unicorns with unearthly change frequency and thought, well, I want that too, now. And then your enterprise architects opened the box of Pandora, your application landscape. And you quickly found hundreds of applications in different infrastructure generations, host systems, mainframes, monoliths, database snowflakes, layered applications, component-wise architected systems, maybe partly distributed in a service-oriented manner. And quickly, the tarred road became a dirt track. And as you cannot change an enterprise architecture overnight, you started with pilot projects or used the strangler pattern, addressing one application at a time. To speed the process up, many different projects were started in a decentral fashion. But different departments have different requirements, and so different cloud providers were chosen with the promise it is easy to build and easy to move the workload if necessary. And then you had some nice critical workloads you did not want to put in the public cloud, and you built your company-wide private cloud. A few years later, where did that leave you? Well, the cloud ended up as just another architectural style that your enterprise architects have to cope with. Your mainframe is still in your data center, along with the big database appliances and all the other traditional applications you just did not have the time for yet. Along with different cloud providers, all for the modernized applications you just migrated. So you move into the cloud, just increased your architectural complexity, the birth of the term multi-cloud. And then cloud native in form of Kubernetes came along. Kubernetes, the open source operating system and scheduler for the cloud. Basically, all workloads are put into the cloud native world and may run on each cloud in the future in an interoperable way. So the promise. So you move your applications one by one into the cloud native realm, except those applications you just did not have the time for yet. I guess you get the pattern. And that is the reason why we are building the one platform that reaches from your own data center to the hyperscalers of your choice. No matter how widespread your architectural styles are, we offer services so you can lift your workload from your own data centers to our data centers and shift your enterprise IT application by application. Your own data centers, branch offices, or edge sites can be connected via our backbone. Your mainframes, database snowflakes, or other traditional bare metal system find a home in our colocation data centers. Your cloud workloads can be placed in our VMware Cloud verified regions in a public or private fashion, depending on your requirements. Your cloud native workloads find a home in our OpenShift clusters that run tightly integrated in the VMware world. Everything under one roof, interconnected by our data center fabrics with no WAN lanes. If we do not have one of our high security data centers where you need your cloud workloads, we integrate with different CSPs like OVH or AWS for your transparent multi-cloud experience. And all your cloud workloads that are bound to certain hyperscalers can be seamlessly integrated via public or private connections over our backbone. Let me take the remaining time to walk through the two major parts of the platform, VMware and OpenShift. The major part of the cloud platform is built upon VMware Cloud Foundation. The multi-cloud management happens via VMware Cloud Director as your central management and entry point to all noris regions, as well as those regions operated by other VMware Cloud providers. It is enhanced with disaster recovery, backup, and data mobility services to support your migration and data security. Based on VMware, vSAN, NSXT, and ESX technology with a modern enterprise-grade control plane consisting of realized components, network insight, and SDDC as the core components, we built a VMware cloud-verified solution that offers everything you need for your enterprise requirements. For our cloud-native workloads, we leverage Red Hat's OpenShift container platform. We integrate the platform into our managed storage systems by NetApp, as well as into the VMware Cloud Verified solution in order to provide seamless integration of cloud-native workloads into your enterprise architecture. For enterprise-grade load balancing, F5 Big IP integration, as well as for backup services, a Commvault integration is available. This integrated co-location, cloud, and cloud-native platform offers a solution space to consolidate your enterprise IT workloads under one roof. So even though you have multiple generations of IT infrastructure, we offer one roof, one platform, one provider for all your IT needs. For further information, do not hesitate to reach out to my colleagues and myself at our virtual booth. Thank you for your time and have a great virtual CloudFest.